am Syed Mustafa Jam. Welcome back to Jam's studio. Today is our first day in Ho Chi Minh City, and this is my 4th video, and we're super excited to explore this vibrant city. We just checked into our hostel, Da Backpacker Hostel, which is located right in the heart of District 1. The Backpacker Hostel is a great budget-friendly spot, perfect for backpackers like us. It's cozy, clean, and has a great vibe for meeting fellow travelers. We're staying at the Backpacker Hostel, which is located right here in District 1, basically the heart of the city. The Backpacker Hostel is a great spot if you're looking for an affordable, comfortable place to stay while being super close to everything. The hostel has a really chill atmosphere with clean, cozy rooms and dorms. It's a great place for solo travelers or small groups, and the staff here are super friendly and helpful. They even offer some cool local tips and recommendations for things to do in the city. It's also a perfect place to meet fellow travelers. The common area here is a great spot to hang out, relax, and maybe share some stories about your travels. Another big plus is the location. Since we're staying in District 1, we're just a short walk away from some of the city's most iconic spots like Ben Ben Market, the War Remnants Museum, and tons of restaurants and cafes. Our room has 5 bunker beds, which means 10 people can live. Here, we are 4 friends living in this room, and 4 more persons with us. The one is from France. His name is Louis Meister. 2 and 1 is from Brazil. 3RD1 is a girl, she is from Australia, and the 1 is from Japan. So far, Vida Backpacker Hostel has been a great start to our adventure here in Ho Chi Minh City. Now that we're settled in, it's time to head out and explore what this incredible city has to offer. Stay tuned.
निकल गए तो देखते हैं इधर उधर थोड़ा सा घूम के एंजॉय करेंगे, खाना खाएंगे, तो थोड़ा सा इधर हो ची मिन्ह की नाइट लाइफ एंजॉय करेंगे, फिर इंशाल्लाह जो है वो वापस आएंगे अपने हॉस्टल में.
We've just stepped out of our hostel, the Backpacker, and we're heading out to explore the nightlife of District 1 here in Ho Chi Minh City. District 1 is the heart of the city, and when the sun sets, the whole area comes alive. There's a mix of everything from street food, vendors, local bars, and cafes to rooftop lounges with incredible views of the city skyline. Tonight, we're going to experience it all, whether you want to try some authentic Vietnamese street food or hit up one of the bars on Vien Street. There's something for everyone here. Tonight, we're out to explore the incredible nightlife of Ho Chi Minh City, and one thing that really stands out here is the beauty of the city's architecture after dark. As soon as the sun sets, the city transforms. The buildings light up, casting an amazing glow that makes the whole city feel alive. From modern skyscrapers to historical landmarks, everything's illuminated, creating a magical atmosphere. These electric lights not only bring the city to life, but also add a sense of charm and beauty. The way the lights reflect off the buildings, streets, and rivers, Ho Chi Minh City at night has a completely different vibe from the day. The mix of old and new architecture really shines at night. The colonial era buildings, like the Saigon Opera House and the Notre Dame Cathedral, are illuminated in a way that makes them look even more majestic. And then you have the modern skyscrapers, like Landmark 81, and the B-Texco Tower, standing tall and glowing in the city skyline. These buildings add a futuristic touch to the city's already stunning landscape. Walking around the streets at night with all the lights and energy, you can really feel the pulse of Ho Chi Minh City. The electric lights add so much more beauty, making this place feel even more alive. If you ever visit Ho Chi Minh City, don't miss the chance to see it at night. The way the city lights up is absolutely breathtaking. Stay tuned for more as we continue to explore. This script emphasizes the beauty of Ho Chi Minh City's illuminated buildings, giving your viewers a sense of awe about the city's nighttime charm.
Can I keep this one?
No problem, sir. Here we have the hotline number in case you need any information about the tour in Vietnam. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. John Studio.
My boss also a YouTuber.
Asha.
He's a runner and YouTuber.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
So these are subscribed to me.
I'm checking out a watch shop here in Ho Chi Minh City, and let me tell you, the variety of watches here is incredible. I love watches, and also I have a lot of collections. Say
It's automatic.
that this is my weakness.
How much?
As soon as I walked in, I was blown away by how many different styles they have. From sleek, minimalist designs to high-end luxury brands. This shop has everything. I've seen watches with leather straps, metal bands, and even some with really cool digital features. I didn't expect to find this much variety in one place. It's like a watch lover's paradise. I'm really impressed with the selection here. It's rare to see such a diverse range of styles in one shop. Whether you're a collector or just looking for a nice accessory, this place has something that'll catch your eye. Well, that was an awesome experience. I found some really cool watches here, and the variety totally surprised me. If you're ever in Ho Chi Minh City and love watches like I do, definitely check this place out.
ده خفا خفا ناسته
Color.
ستله
Đây nước mía
We just ordered some fresh
Shanghai,
mango juice
Shanghai.
here in Ho Chi Minh City. Now, as you know, I love mangoes. but the taste here, it's really different from what we get back home. In my country, mangoes are super sweet and rich with that strong tropical flavor. But here, the mango has a lighter, almost tangy taste. It's refreshing, but not what I was expecting. The texture is still smooth, and it's definitely fresh, but the flavor is a lot milder. It's got a bit of a sour note that's not typical of the mangoes I'm used to. Overall, it was a refreshing experience. The mango juice here may not taste exactly like what I'm used to, but that's what makes it special. If you're ever in Ho Chi Minh City, definitely give it a try. You might be surprised too. Alright, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy exploring with me. There's so much more to discover about the history, culture, and hidden gems of Ho Chi Minh City, and we're just getting started. Make sure you stay tuned because we've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, more places to visit, more stories to share, and more history to dive into. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of the upcoming episodes. And of course, feel free to drop a comment if you have any question or want more information about what we've explored today. Keep in touch with Jan Studio for more travel tips, history, and adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.